This is a continuation for lesson 8-4. So what did I do with any remainders I found? Again, you need to write, well, I had one left over, and you must write this. And everyone needed a van to ride. I'm going to make a little and symbol here. Hopefully you are writing way faster and neater than I am. Needs a ride. So I really need 42. All right, so we got through that first one. I want you to complete the rest of the page, and then I want you to pause the recording, go check it and the answer key, and then turn it back on for your next instruction. Next, I want you to do Math Journal page 283 and Math Journal page 284. Math Journal page 284 is math boxes, and you're looking at some division problems here, which you can divide any way you want, traditional method, partial quotients. You need to subtract some fractions. You need to add some fractions. Math box 4 says the knitting club collected leftover pieces of yarn. It has 3,450 feet of lamb's wool yarn, 1,488 feet of linen yarn, and 2,568 feet of merino wool yarn. The club plans to donate the yarn in equal shares to the art departments at 6 schools. How many yards of yarn will each school get? Multiply-step problems. So you're going to have to add these together, and then if they all want equal shares to 6 schools, I hope you know what your next step's going to be. When you finish Math Box 4, you need to circle the correct answer for 5 times 7/8, and then you need to multiply. Again, using any method you need. You can use traditional method, you can use partial products, or you can use lattice. So go ahead, finish this page, and then turn to the Math Journal answer key page 284 and correct it, please. Pause the recording now and do that. Then you're going to need to go to the file, and you're going to need to get Math Masters page 315. Again, it's going to ask you to use the line e-tool to draw the lines of symmetry on the shape, but you're actually going to use a straight edge. So it says draw 2 lines of symmetry. So I'm going to help you with this one. Of course, the first time you're going to want to go is to go horizontally, because then the top will definitely lay across the bottom. And now the next easiest one is to go vertically right down the middle, and you'll notice that the sides match up perfectly. Finish Math Masters page 315, following the directions and making sure that if it says draw 6 lines of symmetry, you draw 6. If it asks you to draw 1 line, you draw 1, 3 lines, 3, and then it says how many lines of symmetry does this shape have? And then draw your own shape to show the lines of symmetry. Be sure your shape includes at least 1 right angle. And then do the practice at the bottom. I want you to bring this up to me so that I know that you know what you're doing before you go on to the next lesson. And please don't forget to do Math Journal page 283 before you finish this lesson. Thank you.